How are you? Ben here with Vessel Futures Trading. How you doing? We're back in the market. How was your weekend? How was your week? We still continue on the S&P and the Nasdaq, and we can see still that the market is dropping. Where to? We're about to find out. I want to thank the 20 people that reached out yesterday for the 1 hour session. You already got it. It's in the bag. Of course, as I said in the beginning of the week, we're going to give 20 hours every day for the first 20 traders that are going to DM me specifically, Ben, teach me. You're going to get free 1 hour session with me where you can see, learn some techniques. You'll see our methodologies and you'll be exposed to our methods to see how to learn how to read the graph and the price specifically, how to read them out accordingly, how to reflect the news to see how the news reflects on the graph, and get some more a lot of trading skills. So today, as of yesterday as well, the first 20 traders are gonna DM me, Ben, teach me. We'll get the free 1 hour session. So I wanna continue with today with the S&P. We already, as you can see, in a position. We already see that the market, the total, say the trend of the day is a downtrend. We already see it from already 3 weeks ago. We shorted the market way before the news hits and the tariff hits. This is the point where the tariff hits. This is part of the deal that if you know how to read the map correctly and the graph correctly, you understand how the news is being implemented in the graph. As you can see over here, we short position it ever since the tariff speech. This is the point the tariff speech was. We located the short position from here and we shorted all the way. Today as well, we already see it's a short position. Why is that? Because the graph already shows that the price shows us how he basically reflects the pattern of drop base, and possibly we're gonna see another drop all the way maybe to here. We're gonna find out today. So we're already in a short position. I'm gonna go to the 4 hours interval. We'll see how the day reflects. So within the 4 hours interval, we can already mark a pools. So we have this pool right here that we are gonna mark. There's another nice pool over here that in favor of look chart already marked this for us. Another 30 minutes pool right here, and there's also 15 minutes over here that we're gonna go to the 15 minutes interval. We're gonna mark it over here. We can see it right here clearly. Alrighty, so this is a position that we already execute during the night, a short position right here. Basically, we realize that if the price will get to this pool area, high possibility for the price reverse and go down again. With this position, we already see how the graph now hits our command. It's entered the command right here that we executed perfectly. And we're gonna find out what's happened with this position. We only risk $100 in order to make $800, which is amazing. It's a ratio of 1 to 8 within the day trading. It's a really amazing position. Why is that? The normal position if you want to execute is minimum 1 to 2. It means for every dollar that you risk, you're gonna get at least $2. This has happened when you're doing scalp. This has happened when you trading in a 5, 15, 1 minutes interval. Over here, we're trading 15 minutes interval, but we're gonna extend it as well to the day. Why is that? And because we already see and understand that the price have a high likelihood to go down. What would you do if the price will run over this command and basically touch the stop loss? Well, you're gonna execute this position again and again and again. Why is that? Because we are in the risk management business. There's no trading with no losing. We always keep in mind that there's a possibility that the price will run us over and get to the stop loss. This is why always we have to put the stop loss command. There's no trade with no stop loss. You cannot do it. If you're doing it, this is strictly gambling. It can be very hard and a painful lesson for you to learn. So if we are here and we understand that the total trend of the day is a downtrend, and we get to an area where there's a high likelihood for the price to flip and reverse, we will execute this command again and again and again and again. 100 out of 100 times you will do the same thing. Why is that? Because you have to stick to your methodologies. and we are not afraid to take this position. Again, everybody with his own risk management as usual. I'm always saying that. We are live broadcast in the Discord channel. The trader community can see this in a more expanded way, but we always as I said, as I started to say before, I'm putting always for you to know, this is not substitutional for financial advice. This is not a financial advice. As a disclaimer, I'm saying that you should always consult with your financial advisor. So we already see how the price fluctuate. We see how it start to climb up. We have a position already running all the way down. We only risking $100 to make $800 today. If the price will run us over and go to the next potential areas, basically the supply area that it can meet, we're gonna try to take the short position from here. Right here we have another pool. We're gonna wait for the price to go over here in case we get run over by the stop loss, and we're gonna try to short position it from here. We're not looking for the long position, even if it's gonna come from here up to here. I'm gonna mark it, even if it's gonna run us over the supply pool and it's gonna go up. We still not favorable to take the long position. We're only gonna try to short position it unless we're gonna see the trend is over. We're gonna slowly see how the new highs is been breaking, and we understand that now we started an uptrend. As long as it doesn't happen, we're still in the downtrend. So for now, this is the position. We're always going to cover our position at the end of the day and reflect it. Of course, for our trading community in the Discord, you will have the first look at it. We're going to expand the talk on this position specifically in the Discord channel. Of course, the Discord channel is for all of you guys, new and old traders that they want to get knowledge. It's a free community for you guys to join. I want to extend again a big thank you to our community, and we're gonna continue covering this position once we finish this specific session. For meanwhile, I wanna wish you success in your trading journey. As I said in the beginning of this video, I'm giving away 20 hours today, tomorrow, day after. First 20 traders, they're gonna text me, Ben, I'll leave a comment, Ben, teach me. We'll get a free 1-hour session with me. There's only 20 seats. So first come, first serve, and I'll see you guys on the next market overview. Have a beautiful day.